Hi, I'm Alex Marcantonio, senior at Hoover High School. My favorite memory is winning states my sophomore year because the atmosphere was just an amazing feeling. My most influential person are my parents because they've been around since I started playing softball when I was 8 years old and always pushed me and encouraged me to become better. My college plans is to go to Kent State in the fall and continue my softball career with Coach Linder. I see myself in 10 years from now becoming a physical therapist and starting a family.
Alex Marcantonio has been playing ball with us this is her 4th year. She came on the scene, like I said, 4 years ago, and she's been starting ever since. She was a vital clog in our race for the state tournament a couple years ago. And Alex has meant quite a bit to this program. In the last 3 or 4 years, you can see there's been improvement from the beginning to the end. Now this year she's having her best year. She's hitting well over 600. 600 is a high average in any league. Alex is an outstanding athlete, probably the best athlete we've ever had in the Hoover softball program. Alex has good speed, she's quick, she's an outstanding softball player. As we look to the rest of the year, we expect Alex to be a leader as she has been a leader.